Hello, I welcome you to my talk on people who are discouraged, those who lose their hearts, those who lose their faith and belief when they are facing some problems, when they are losing some matches, when they are getting some defeats, when they are facing failures over and over again in their life. What you will do if you have lost the battle, maybe in the tennis court or anywhere in these sports? You have never won any match, but you were dreaming to become a very great champion. Maybe you are dreaming to become like Lance Armstrong, one of the greatest Tour de France champion 7 times. Such a daring, such a courageous man who not only beat all his opponents in Tour de France cycling competition, rather he defeated the killer disease cancer also. A man with determination, daring, extreme faith in the will of God. God saved his life. Another greatest man. If you see in the dictionary the definition of greatest, you will find maybe it is Michael Jordan, greatest person on earth, who also failed over and over again. Such a great man. Every day of his life always worked harder and harder to get better and better. There are multiple failures. So what I mean to say, if you are one of the person who has seldom tasted success or wins in the tennis court, then what you will do? Maybe you will weep, you will cry, tears will roll from your eyes, because I know your big dream is shattered by defeats. You are discouraged, you are disappointed. But one thing I want to assure you, you should analyze why you are losing. The defeats will teach you a lot of lessons. You have to see what are your weaknesses. Are you physically very strong, the fittest, fastest and the strongest? Because who has beaten you may be very strong, physically, mentally, spiritually, skill-wise. So, if you want to be a winner, you have to be better than your opponent. Definitely you have to be better than your opponent, because the philosophy is survival of the fittest. You have to work to become better like Michael Jordan did. The person who was at the workplace before the sunrise, and the person was working, persevering, patiently, in the night also when everyone has left the ground. And every pain will give you some motivation and inspiration. And every failure will make you stronger in your determination. There is no need to weep. There is no need to cry. Simply you have to see that you are not the fittest, not the fastest, not the strongest, mentally, skill-wise. And that is only the reason that you are losing so many matches. Remember what Bill Tilden told. The champions are born in the labor of defeats. If you have become very strong physically and you have worked very hard to convert your talents into great skill of tennis, Still, to beat some of your opponents, you need lot more points. You have to remain calm. You have to be always optimistic. You have to develop positive attitude. You have to hustle. You have to understand what are the weaknesses of the opponents. And then you have to analyze those weaknesses. And you have to use your strength against the weakness of the opponent. And one thing more, you can do your best. Nothing should stop your performance in the court. You should never allow fear to come there. Remember, fear itself is a great fear. All the great people attacked the fear first, and they were never afraid in their life. Because a timid, a coward can never become a great champion. Victory belongs to the most persevering, the daring, the determined, the willing, the energetic, the enthusiastic. There is no shortcut to success. But you have to have a lot of passion, lot of love. Not only should you enjoy your practice session in tennis or any sports for that matter, but also you should love competing, testing your everything else. Your acid test is there in the battlefield of the tennis court or in the field of your specific games. You should love competing. You should have the passion and you should enjoy the victory. And once you see that others are stronger, you have to raise your bar. You have to raise your ceiling day in and day out. Every day of life should have continual improvement by practice, practice and practice. Lance Armstrong, as I told you, did it. Michael Jordan did it. Roger Federer has done it. Nadal has done it. Novak Djokovic has done it. The Williams sisters did it. Maria Sharapova is struggling hard. And so many great champions have did it. Steffi Graf did it. Love your game. Love. Because it is a very sustained, continuous, long to endure all the stress and strain. If you are mentally weak, then every defeat and failures will make you frustrated, disappointed. You will weep and cry in the tennis court or in your ground. But you should not. You should instantly think why you are losing. Which compartment of your game is weak? Work on it. Give everything to it. Be ready to give your blood, sweat, tears, toil, and everything what you have got. Explore to your full potential. Now remember, heights by great men, recent capped, were not attained by a sudden flight. But while their companions slept, they were toiling upward in the night. Dear friends, my beloved, whom I love you so much, there is only one way to success, to victory, to win. You have to put your best. You have to grow, day in and day out, better and better, better and better, far and far better than anybody else. And remember one sloka from Gita, Karmanyeva adhikaraste, ma phalesu kadachano, ma karmphal hetu bhu, mato sango asta karmani. Your duty is to perform your task. You should never be attached to the result of your action. The fruit of your action is the will of God. And you should never be inactive. You have to have the courage to plan everything very systematically. Bring together coherently all your resources. Work day in and day out. Dare it. Fight it. Believe in yourself. Have faith in yourself. Commit. Never mind failures. Never mind defeats. They are making you stronger and stronger. They are telling you that still your preparation is not complete. You have to do some more extra, because some other people who are beating you, they have worked harder than you. They have grown much stronger, much powerful. If you are a lion, you need not fear the sheep or goat or the lamb. You are being beaten by lion. Somebody is much superior. So you have to become a giant by believing that your soul is immortal. You have infinite energy within you. You have to surface it. Raise your power of mind. Brain is much more powerful than the brawn. Fight. Struggle patiently. Never quit. Never give up. Never cry in the court. You will be victorious one day. You are born to be great. That's why your name is special. Vishesh. Be born great. Manifest your greatness by converting your talents into your skill. Grind it. Dig it. All the greats did it. If you feel shy to lose, must hate it. But you have to pay the price by sweating a lot, by toiling, and believing in your ability and potential. I wish you all the great success. Victory awaits you. And remember, if you can dare to dream big, you are bound to be successful. Be determined. Work hard. Like Michael Jordan did it. Like Muhammad Ali did it. Like Will Smith did it. Like Arnold Schwarzenegger did it. Like Federer did it. Like any great did it. You are better than many greats. Manifest it. I wish you great luck. I wish you greatness in your perseverance, persistence, struggle, fight towards supremacy in your area of venture. May God bless you. Thank you very much.